Hey guys, the directions for the first section tells us to determine if the lines are parallel, perpendicular, or coincidental. To do this, we're going to have to look at their slopes and figure out whether they're the same, opposite reciprocals, or neither. Okay, so in this situation, it looks like the slopes of both of these lines are -2. If the slopes are the same, then the lines are parallel. Okay. With this situation, we have one equation that's in standard form, and then we have one equation that's in y-intercept form, and we have one equation that's not in y-intercept form. Okay, right now I know that this slope is 4, but I can't easily identify the slope of this one until I convert it into the form I'd like. I'm going to add 8x to the other side. And last up, I'm going to divide by 2. Okay, now that I've done this, we can see that both of these equations have a slope of 4. Therefore, these lines must be parallel. Okay, and here is the last equation. It looks like this has a -1/3, and this is a +3/1, meaning these slopes are opposite reciprocals. Therefore, these lines must be perpendicular. Okay, and since we didn't see an example of coincidental, I just want to mention when lines are coincidental, they are the same line. Okay, that means that they would have the same slope and they would have the same y-intercept.